Bonjour les amis, donc aujourd'hui je vais vous parler d'une expression, un mot français qui est la limite. Les limites. Les limites. So repeat with me. Les limites. Les limites. Les limites. So first when you say to someone, hey, there are some limits. Il y a des limites. Il y a des limites. Il y a des limites. And then you can say this. We have this expression that we use a lot. Say ils n'ont pas de limite ou il n'a pas de limite. Il n'a pas de limite. He has no limits. He has no limits. Look at this. It looks like a nose. It looks, on dirait un nez. T'as vu le nez? Touche le nez, Paul. Oui. Non, c'est pas prêt. Touche le nez. Alors, ils n'ont pas de limites. They have no limits. They have no limits, okay? Ou elle n'a pas de limites. So this is expression that tells you something about the French society. In the French society, when you raise the kids, you need to set the limits. And in fact, the traditional education is going to be very, very harsh. You will tell to the kids. You will tell to the kids, ça suffit, you know, you will tell him like this, and you will set the limits, you know. In modern society, this is changed. This is changing a lot, okay. The education became, ah, papa, je te suis. The education, because my kid is holding my hand. The education became very light, so many kids don't have the limits. Ils n'ont pas de limites, and when they grow up, you have the teenagers that will create some trouble. Ils n'ont pas de limite, ils n'ont aucune limite. They have no limit, aucune limite, pas de limite, aucune limite. Ils n'ont aucune limite. Repeat after me. Ils n'ont aucune limite. Ils n'ont aucune limite. Celle-ci, tu veux manger celle-ci? Ouais. Celle-ci, elle est toute pourrie, regarde. Ouais. Elle est dégoûtante, celle-ci. Ouais. There are many worms inside, I think. Do you want me to open? Yeah. Tu veux l'ouvrir un peu celle-ci avec un bâton? Va l'ouvrir. Regarde, tu peux la prendre pour maman? Ils n'ont pas de limites. They have no limits, okay? It used to be also the traditional society, the man of the house. The man has all the power, and he will be like, and he will be the one who has the authority. But now things change a lot, and quite often you have the family in France. Okay, the family divorce. There is no husband. There is no father. Maybe the father went away. There is no father. The mother is alone with the kid. She doesn't have as much authority. Maybe the husband is here, but he's very kind. He's too nice and like a little bit like me. I don't know how to say stop to say no to my kid. Je ne sais pas dire non. Je ne sais pas dire non. This is another very important. Someone who doesn't know how to say no. Je ne sais pas dire non. Donc il n'y a pas de limite. There is no limit. Ils n'ont pas de limite. And we say this a lot. We hear it a lot in the French society. Paul, viens ici. Il y a des aoutas. Ils n'ont pas de limite. Viens, sinon tu vas gratter après. Ils n'ont pas de limite. Il n'a pas de limite. Especially for les délinquants. So someone who break the wall and hey what and then be very unpolite and say les jeunes ils n'ont aucune limite. Les jeunes qui n'ont pas de limite, ils n'ont pas d'éducation. Les aoutas, bah vite, faut vite monter, sinon tu vas avoir des aoutas. Vite, remonte. Les aoutas is a small spider that will be here in August. You cannot see it, and it will get inside your skin, and then it will always scratch. And you have this a lot in France. It doesn't matter because after 1 month it will go away, and as soon as the weather is too cold in September and all, they all die. They only can survive in August, but I can tell you it can be really unpleasant because it will scratch you. So you should not go in the. Ah ben on peut pas. D'accord. On dit au revoir, Paul. On va aller dans la cave si tu veux. On dit au revoir. On dit au revoir. Au revoir. Oui, on peut pas parce qu'il y a des aoutas. Au revoir. Au revoir. Take care everyone.